Okay, hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got, I know, it's another DS Lite, but this one's slightly different. It's a customer return. This arrived to them and it wasn't working properly. So I asked them to send it back and we'll get it fixed and posted back to them as quickly as possible. So if we can get in here, they've done a good job of wrapping it up. Now let's pop the lid open, and apparently the bottom screen, yeah, that is not how that should have arrived. There's definitely a problem with it. So first things first, we'll remove this wonderful warranty sticker. Now the customer's left that in place, so they've definitely not interfered with it. It's a genuine problem, and as such, it's our fault. It's our fault and our problem to resolve and get it sent back to the customer nice and quickly. So hopefully I can get this sorted sharpish before the courier turns up, and then he can take it away today. So it's a race against time to change the bottom screen. Right. Now that's the back off. I've got a replacement lower screen here, so let's give that a nice clean over. Oh, that's the sound of the courier man. No, that wasn't the courier man, that was the UPS man looking for someone else in this block, which is doubly annoying because I've just been home to drop off a UPS parcel that's getting picked up tomorrow that I accidentally booked in for collection from home rather than from work. So yeah, I could have had it picked up from here. Bar humbug. Right, now this should be terribly easy. Just to pop this off here, pop that up there, pop the touch screen out. Oh, one more screw. Take that off of there. Pop the new screen on. Fold it over, get the touch screen back in place. and we should be done. Now I probably should flip this over before I get all the screws in. I will put the shell on, but before I get all the screws in, she'll flip it over and make sure that screen is good, touch screen's working, etc. So let's have the 2 screws in here that hold the board in place. Move the volume to the down position, volume and down. Right, so shell's back on. As you can see, the bottom screen is no longer jumping about. Confirm. Right, I've got to take it out because I didn't put the other screw in here. Now I'll get all these screws back in, and then we'll have a quick game of Super Mario Kart, because I have that laying about. A little bit of this, just to give it a clean up. Remove the remnants of the old sticker. That's that looking a lot better. Now, let's take one of these and one of these, pop this one back on here. One on there. See, this is why warranty stickers are good, because if something goes wrong, you send it back, we fix it. Right, it's not a problem. These things do happen occasionally. It's not ideal because we're going to have to pay the customer back for their postage to send it to us, and we've paid for the postage to send it to them in the first place, and we've got to pay for the postage to send it back again this time. But that's what happens. You can't sell things that don't work, or they worked before they left here but they've been damaged in the postal. And what seems to be this one's case, the screen just was at the end of its life. So Mario Kart back in, or in. Let's get this set up. Tap the button because the button's quicker. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum, bum. Look at that. Lovely working screen. Touchscreen calibrates perfectly. Excellent. Does mean I have to turn it off again. Quit. Yes. Back on. Stylus away. And we'll start Mario Kart. Rum, rum. Do, 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 do. Jump's okay. But I didn't get a prize. Thanks a lot. Ah. Yeah, shot. Boom. Wario, you're starting to get annoying. Right, I think I'll quit whilst I'm ahead. So yeah, that one's all sorted. I'm going to get that boxed up and sent back to the customer. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye.